Good morning, this is Teresa Dotson, registered dietitian, coming to you with Friday's fabulous fridge finds. So you get to the end of the week and you think, what's left in my refrigerator and how can I make that into a nutritious and delicious meal? Here are some of the things that I found. First of all, the tomato wasn't looking so nice and healthy. I didn't have a cucumber, so I'm going to use a zucchini instead. And here's a pro tip. If you take an onion and some garlic and saute them so that they caramelize, it brings out the sweetness and the flavor in that. As far as bringing that caramelization and helping it along, use a little bit of wine in with the saute, and that will add flavor but not fat or salt. Use whatever kind of wine that you would normally drink. Don't use cooking wine because that's a high source of sodium in the diet. As with always, I try to include all 5 of the food groups. So today we have quinoa, which is a good source of protein, gluten-free, and fiber. It is a whole grain. And if you want to add a little bit more protein, you can add some garbanzo beans. If you simply open them and drain them and rinse them, that gets rid of most of the salt. For fruit, I have a lemon that I'm going to squeeze over the quinoa, and I'm going to quarter some grapes in there to add a little bit of sweetness. When you are cutting on the cutting board, always start with your smelliest ingredients, your onions and garlic, then your tomatoes, and finish off with chopping up your fresh parsley. And this helps to keep the cutting board from absorbing that onion garlic smell. Of course, always sanitize your cutting board and use only for raw foods separate from foods that will be then cooked. Have a great weekend. Stay healthy. Teresa Dotson, registered dietitian, Nutrition Solutions for Life. Remember, always include all 5 food groups.